y'all, welcome to my channel. It's Bree Journal here, and today I'm doing a living room transformation. This is the before. I had a green theme going on, but I got tired of it, so I got my mirror in because if you watch one of my vlogs, you know that the mirror fell down and I had to order a completely new one. So this is the replacement mirror that I got from Amazon. I'm going to have it linked down below in the description. This is tray 1, and mainly everything in this video is from Amazon, so like I said, everything will be linked down below. I am putting these candles. I got these from my mom, I think from IKEA. You can get them from the dollar store anywhere. This other bubble candle is from Amazon as well, and this candle cutter is from Amazon, and it's a matte black, which I really like. And then I tried this chain link, but I just wasn't feeling it. It's just too big. And then I have this scented diffuser. This is in a cherry scent, and I absolutely love this, so check it out on Amazon. It's going to be linked in the description box. And then I have a chain knot, and yeah, this is the look. Now I'm going to do a couch makeover. The issue with my couch is that I don't like the pillows and it needs a blanket. So I'm going to take all of the cushions off of the couch and just fluff it up a bit. And an issue that I'm having is that my couch slides. So I'm going to be using this couch gripper I got from Amazon. And you just insert it at the bottom of your couch. And I think you can even cut it up to use in chairs. And I realized that Zane peed on my couch, so I cleaned that up, and then I'm applying this couch gripper. And it actually works. My couch cushions don't slide anymore from me using this, so I'm really happy about that. And once you just have it on the bottom of your couch or chair, you just put your cushion back on top, and it's as good as new. So I have this new blanket that I ordered from Amazon. It's just a basic black color, and I just plan on when I just want different color schemes in my living room, just to get a replacement cushion cover. So IKEA sells cushion covers. I'll show you guys which one I use in a minute, and I just plan on switching it out when I just want something different. And to me, it seems like the most cost-effective solution for just wanting a different type of look going on. So I put my black blanket on my armrest, and I like the way it looks a lot. And I got these pillows and pillow covers from IKEA. Now for the artwork makeover, I got all of these artworks from Society 6, and I even got the frame from there too. So usually you can order the frame and the artwork together like I did with this, but this time I just ordered the artwork and I just wanted to replace it, and luckily I was able to do so. Unfortunately, the artwork that I chose was a little too big for the frame that I had. I thought it was the same size, but it's really not. So I'm just unhinging the frame, and I'm going to take the artwork out from it. And yeah, it's really secure in there. So once I open it up, I'll just take the old artwork and then replace it. And then you'll see what I have to do later on in the video since it's too big for the frame. So yeah, it's too big, so I'm gonna go in and cut it very carefully. I'm trying not to mess up the artwork, but luckily the white parts is what I had to cut, so I'm really thankful for that. So I'm just going back and forth trying to see what else needs to be cut, if it fits perfectly. The width fits, but the length is still too long, so I'm just going in and just using the backboard to try to see what else I needed to cut. In the end, I had to measure it and cut the white spaces off, and I am able to add my new artwork. And then for here, I saw that I cut it too slanted, so I'm going in with the scraps piece of paper, and I'm going to insert it at the top so that it doesn't look like it's not enough space, like uneven basically. So putting the white made it back to normal, so I'm really happy about that. And then I just framed it up and it's ready to hang, and I absolutely love this picture frame. It just makes me so happy, and this is the finished look. I love how everything came together. Like I said, I'll probably switch the pillowcases when I want something different. Now for the island makeover, I did not like what I had going on. I had a crossword puzzle, a random candle, and some eyeglasses. So I ended up putting all of that up, and I got these fake flowers from Amazon as well as this glass vase from Amazon. And luckily it's the height and the width that I wanted. And I didn't want anything too big or too much going on. I just wanted a nice simple look just to center my island. So these are white fake tulips. They're silk, and I really love the way they look. People think that they're real when they come over, but they are not. So I got this also from TikTok. I'll link the girl's account, and I even think she has a YouTube channel, so I'll link her in the description box because I got this idea from her. I think her name is either Clara or Claire. So yeah, as you saw, I put some purifying water in here just so that it can stay as clean looking as possible, and this is the finished look. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel if you want to see more content like this. Leave a comment down below to let me know if you like this type of content, just so that I can continue to make it. Give this video a thumbs up, and follow me on TikTok as well as my Instagram just to see all the content that I put out. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!